Okay, well here they are, the new fleet for AirCam Pacific. I got Kevin's rig on the left, Chad's rig on the right. Kevin's rig is going to Afghanistan. My rig is staying here, and things are looking really good. The XP2 is quite sexy in black with red arms, and the XPG gimbal. But the silver is no slouch. Both very sexy machines with GPS, with new landing gear, gimbals, Spectrum DX8s, all around. I've got my FPV rig set up on this one. Kevin's is still coming in the mail. Things are looking good. I haven't even flown this one. I wanted to get shots of it while it was still pure. A pure XP2. It's a little breezy and overcast today, but I think I'm gonna have to try a flight, just to see how she feels. Shablam! Kaplow! Shablam! AirCam!